Hello guys, I hope you can hear me. I will show you now how to interconnect Hyper-V virtual machines with GNS3. I have tried so far to connect many virtual machines with one switch, Hyper-V switch, but I lose packets in that example. So able to work with many virtual machines connected in GNS3 is make many virtual switch or per virtual machine a Hyper-V switch. So you first have to download and install GNS3 from your browser. Next, Hyper-V Manager. If you have Windows 10, you can add this feature going into control panel, going into programs and features, and then go turn Windows features on or off, and here you can see Hyper-V Manager. Here it is. Okay, just click on this and you will install those two by clicking on OK. Hyper-V Management Tools and Hyper-V Platform, the platform for the virtual machines. This is the platform. First you have to, okay, those two machines are already running. Okay, I will connect now here. Just a moment. Okay, the next machine. So, after you logged on, you can switch to GNS3. Open the platform. So, here we use this router here. Okay, I use two routers to switch devices, or I can use a crossover cable to connect directly a computer or a server to the to the router. Zero 1 0 1 and fast 0 with fast 0. Okay, here we use the computers. So here it asks me what internet network interface card to use. We can use Bluetooth network connection. No, we can use Ethernet 2, Ethernet 3. That's from my VM workstation virtualization technology platform. Okay, I won't use them. I use that one I created over Hyper-V normally, and that's those two. But I have two. I have external, internal, and firm server 2. But we will use for host 1 the worker 1, and for host 2 the other network interface card, virtual interface card, which is created in Hyper-V Manager. Something else, so you create basically over this button here, Virtual Switch Manager, you create the internal network interface card. It's facing internal, not external. Okay, the router, the virtual router I have here, he will give internet access. I can demonstrate that too. Okay, okay, I must configure this here. Use external network to physical network interface card. Okay, that's it. Two not available. Okay, just a moment please. Okay, I haven't selected it. Now it's working. Okay, now I have used this network interface card, so that's this machine here, worker 1. I will do that later. I will configure first this router here. Okay, start this router. Just a moment. We need to configure now the router that he has internet access and everything. But before that, even before that, we need to plan our network. Maybe the manager asks for the network. It's all about security. But this shows only that those PCs are working for now. In the next video, I will show networking, how we go to the cloud, and then I will show you other videos related to security, VPN, IPsec, and so on. grep tunnel protocol, which is for bank transactions, and IPsec for encryption. Okay. So our network here, this network here is my home network /24. Okay. 01 here. Sorry, this is my router, and this IP address here, it will be from DHCP, because my router is a DHCP. I mean dynamic host configuration protocol. Okay, I mean that. Okay, that's what I start this router too. Okay, everything is on place, I think. This network will be I will use this network. To make it simpler, I will use this. Okay. Okay, that's okay. /23. Here I want to have 250 hosts, maybe. And on the other side I want to have maybe, this is our network, and this is our network. For this I need 250 hosts. Okay, then we do it this way. 24. /24. Network 1. This is our network. Okay, the first host will be, yes, I already wrote it here. The next network would be, okay, and this here, right? Repeat this. Network number 2. Exactly. First IP address. Okay. First, the last one would be 0.254 for this network. For this network, we go with the next one, 1, 0. This is would be the next sub network from this network here. This here is the first usable IP address. The last one is 1. Okay, depends how much hosts I want here. I want here so many hosts here. This means I need okay. Okay. I need this part as a network subnet part. So I can have till 126 hosts here. That's it. Okay. So first address goes here. And here. Okay. That's it. I will not enable here DHCP on this router and on this router. I will give static addresses just for the purpose of this video. First give a host name to this router. I will call this router site A. Then give a password to access this router. Give whatever you want. Okay. Line console 0. Okay. Okay. 0/1 address. Okay. Okay, I made now a connection here from the router here to this network, to this local network. I gave the address. Now we go on with our fast Ethernet. I will only make first local area network 0/0. Yes, for this network I must create here network number 3. Network number 3 is just a moment. .1.127 and 1. This would be the next network. Okay. //30 /25. Okay, great. Okay, 129. Okay. this is a command to look up for the domain simply, and IP name server is to give a domain name system server. That's just pointing to your real router. He has the DNS records, or he reads them from another server too. Okay, so far so good. Now we go on the other router, but before that we need to save our configuration. Copy run to startup config. Okay. Okay, the next router. Host name site B. Enable. Okay. No timeout, that the router stays connected. Okay. That a fast Ethernet /1 description connection to a local site branch 2, no shutdown. Okay. Okay. And connection to the router. Okay, let's ping now the other router. This is the other side. Okay, it's pinging, do you see? And I can ping myself too. Okay, I would create here what I did not mention is loopback interfaces. They are on every router you will have a loopback interface. I will call this loopback interface number 2 because it's router 2 normally, site B, and I give the address IP address this is a loopback interface, okay? And here too I will give here a loopback interface 2, loopback 1. Okay, that's it. I will try to ping now myself. Oh, okay, it's working. Can I ping the other side? I think not. Okay, because they're not in the same network normally. This is a normal message. Okay, I will just finish the typing here. Okay, I save the configuration. Okay. Now the routers are configured. This network here and this network here. I just need to test them out. And I will need to give here the IP addresses. Here. And on the other side. Okay, something is not okay here. Okay, I will switch a user here. Okay, here it's working. I try again. Okay, the password is not good. Okay, and here too. Okay, worker 1 is here, this network interface card, and this the other. Okay. Okay, I will first finish for the worker 1. Worker 1, this network 2.16.0 .16.0 the router is 1.30 1 and the 1. That's correct. Okay, it's identifying. We go to the next, we go work. It is a work network, it's not home. So you choose one, no, I use 32. Okay, but the network is, this is the network, because it's 8, 8, 8, 16. 8 and 8 is 16 and 8 is 24 and one more bit is 25. Okay, the gateway 1 and 1. This would be 1 and 1 exactly. I will copy this. Okay, that's it. We made it, but we need to ping first to check if this is working, if this is okay. Yeah, check. Okay. If I can ping my gateway first, this is this. I try myself. Okay, it's working. I try my gateway. It's working. I try this other gateway, but the host is unreachable. The reason for that is there is no default route. Okay, we need to set on both routers a default route to enter this network, or vice versa, to enter this network from this router to this, or from this router to this. It must be on two ends. But I will use a protocol. If you want to give a default route to the other side of the network, then you type IP route and then destination prefix. That means the other network, the mask, and through the interface. Okay. Now I will use a protocol EGRP. It is called EGRP. I will use here this network, only this network, and I will not summarize it. EGRP wildcard bits. The wildcard card bits of this network is 0, 0, 1, 25, because 0 represents 255, 0 again 255, 1 represents 254, slash 0, exactly, that's the correct mask. No auto summary. Okay. Okay, I will let this open. Here too, IP router, they need to have the same IS number. They can communicate. I give here the same network as I gave it for the other router. No auto summary. Do you see? They have established a neighbor connection. Okay. This means that I should be able to ping now. No, I'm not able to ping. Okay. I will check why. Okay, this router 1, or for site A, he shows that he has is connected to this network here and to this network here, but he is not seeing this network here. Why? Because that I have not entered the information. I have not entered the information. Okay, I try again. Exactly. So this means I am not able to ping from this router this network here. 0, 0. Do you see I'm not able to ping the other side of this router because I don't have the network. Okay? This means I will enter here the network. So 172. But why? Why is this happening? This is the problem. He should see all the networks, because this network is the same. Okay. I try again now. Yes, do you see? He's pinging from router 2, it's pinging to this side, okay? And we need to ping from this side to this side, but it is not working. Do you see? It's not working. Okay, can I ping perhaps okay, I can ping this, but I can't ping this side. Okay, I need to check this configuration from this router here first. Show run. I need to check fast Ethernet 00, that's okay. Do you see I gave no IP address on this side? Okay, that's the reason why it is not working. Okay. Interface, this is a stupid error, but we should always check if we have everything configured well at the start, at the beginning. And here goes the 255, 255, that is 255, 128. This is that, there's no shutdown. Okay. Okay. We try now again to ping. Ping. Okay, from this side it's working. From router 1 now, we need to check if we can ping the other router. Yes, we can. Okay, now it should work. We will check. And it is pinging. We can, from this machine, worker number 1, we can ping this interface here, and we should be able to ping the other PC. But no, we are not able to ping. Okay. Now it's going. Now it's working. Now it's working fine. We check the other side if it's working from this side too. IP config. Yes, that is the IP address I have pinged. Great. Now we ping the other PC here 0/0.30, and it's pinging. Okay, we are interconnected, we could send mails and everything, but we need to configure that, and I will show that in the next video. How do we go to the internet? We will create some access lists only for one router, and he will transport the packets onto the internet. So this means basically that both networks can go to the internet. Okay. Okay, thank you for watching, and please subscribe.